Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradecraft Academy. This is Krishna Kumar here. Now let's take on to the weekly analysis. As the year ending, it has been closed. How we are going to take a trade for a next week, this for a new year. Again, I want to say wish you all happy new year and get the let the prosperous and happiness be with your life, guys. Now let's take on to the market. How we are going to take a trade on the weekly basis, guys. Here you can see market. You can see the entire last week it has taken a support of 21,000 here, and again it has started with 21,400 here, guys. 21,400 the last week. Like you can see from 21,400 to high, it has taken for 21,800 has taken a resistance, guys. Like how we're going to take a trade on next week basis. Like you can see here, like for example, here we got a one support, guys. There's a support called 21,600. 21,600 on a weekly basis we got a support, guys. Like what happens, a market opens like is a new year, like it might be open a flat note on Monday. I'm expecting a flat note. And what happens is there's it comes entire week, it might come to the take a support of 21,600. Till that you can after the reversal of the 21,600, according to price action for the positional trade, you can take a buy on dip market, guys. This is, I can take a buy position, not a short position. For the target of first target will be at 21,800 again if it comes down, and the second target is 22,000, guys. This is second resistance for here, 22,000. Again, I want to say it is a psychological figure, guys. 22,000, like most of the option writers will be activated over there. Be careful over there and keep on booking the profit on the timely over there with the stop loss, guys. How we are going to take a trade if the 22,000 breaks? According to the price action techniques, if the market breaks above the 22,000 on the closing basis, that is on the closing basis, which other day it closes above 22,000, you can see the target, first target of about 22,200 is the first target, and second target you can see 22,500. You can see the target for the next week, guys. Be cautious, keep straight stop loss and trade, guys. And what happens if the market comes down? Once the 21,600 breaks, then you can go for a short, guys. Here, unless 21,600 broke, you can go for any kind of a short trade in the weekly basis. Once the 21,600 closing basis, any day it is closed below 21,600, then you can take a target of first target of 21,000, guys. 21,000 again, I'm saying it is taken a support over here. Then it is in a psychological figure. Most of the option writers will be activated. Be careful, guys. Once the 21,000 breaks, then you can see like next target will be on 20,800 and 20,200 will be the second target on the downside, guys. This is how we're going to take a weekly positional trade, and we'll trade on the Nifty 50, guys. Now let's look at the bank Nifty, how we are going to take a trade in the bank Nifty. Here you can see as a bank Nifty, like you can see it has taken a support of 46,800 previous last week, and the last week it has taken a support of 47,600. It has taken a support, guys. And it has gone higher of 48,700. It has taken a support, that is 40,000, around 700, 750. It has taken a support here, and it has been closed of 48,300, guys. This is a 48,292. It has been closed. How we're going to take a trade on the next week, and how it's going to be, guys. According to the price action levels, you can see once the new high should be broken, that is on 47,000. It is 48,700. Once it breaks, you can see the target of 49,200 will be the first target on the higher, guys. That means once again I want to say there's a small resistance over there. My market might touch next week of around 49,000. is in a psychological figure, guys. Once again I want to say, be careful, be cautious. Most of the shorters or option writers will be activated over there. Once the market has broken above 49,000, according to price action techniques, you can go for a target 49,200 first target, and second target will be 49,600 will be the second target on the weekly basis, guys. And one more thing I want to say, like, keep strict stop loss. Is in a market is on a new high is going on, don't go for a short, is a buy on dips, guys. And what happened the market the downside, when the market downside in the sense, once 48,500 should be broken, guys. 48,500 is an again some sort of a support is there and psychological figure over there. Once the 48,500 breaks, according to the price action technique, you can see the target of downside is 48,000 will be the first target. Again, a psychological, be cautious. You keep booking out on between 48,500 to 48,000. Again, once the 48,000 breaks, according to price action techniques, you can go for a target of 47,500 will be the first target, and second target will be 47,200 will be the second target on the downside, guys. Now, this is how we are going to take a trade on weekly basis in the bank Nifty. Now, let's look into the market in the Fin Nifty, how we're going to take a trade on the Fin Nifty, guys. Here you can see Fin Nifty, guys. Like you can see the Fin Nifty has been taken a major support of 21,000 previous last week, and last week has taken a support of 21,200, guys, and it has taken a high of 21,600. The resistance over here, you couldn't sustain above 21,600. It came down and closed it for 21,487 on the weekly basis, guys. How are we going to take a trade once 21,600 brokes, 21,600 brokes, until the 21,600 brokes, you can go for a buy on a higher side, guys. Once the 21,600 brokes, according to price action techniques, the first target will be 21,800 and second target will be 22,000, guys. Again, I'm saying this, like, here we got a 22,000 round figure and psychological figure. Most of the option traders will be there. Keep on booking the profits timely, guys. Now, how what happen if the market comes down any of the week, like here we got a support of 21,200. One support is there. Once the again support we got it until 21,000. Once the 21,300 breaks, 21,300 breaks, you get the target of 21,000. Here is a major support, you got it, guys. Once, for example, if anything happens, any black bad news comes, any technical breakout comes, unless the 21,000 breaks, the market won't get negative till 21,200. We got the target on the downside, guys. Be cautious, guys. There's a major support of 21,000 in Nifty. Keep on booking profits timely, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade on a weekly basis, guys. And one more thing, like let's look into the Sensex. What happened in the Sensex? How we're going to take a trade in the Sensex on a weekly basis, guys. Here you can see the Sensex. It has been a very good week, like entire week. It has taken a support of 71,000. That is on what I'm saying is a psychological figure. Most of the options, that is put writers, will be activated. It took the support and it went to the 72,000. Also is broke again psychological figure. It has closed on 72,240. According to the price action next week, what happened? There's a support 72,000. There's a support. Once the support takes higher, upon that, according to price action, you can see the target of first target will be 72,500 and second target 73,000. Again, it is psychological figure, guys. Be cautious. We keep on booking the profit around round figure, that is 73,000, guys. Once the 73,000 breaks, you can see the target of 73,500 first target on the higher side again, and 74,000 will be the second target on the weekly basis, guys. What happens if the market comes down? Unless the 71,000 breaks, you can't go for a short or a put option here, guys. The psychological figure, the most of the option writers will be there. Once the 71,000 breaks, according to the price action, you can see the first target of 71,000 and second target of 69,000 on the downside the entire week, guys. Be cautious, guys. Don't hurry in the trade. Keep strict stop loss and be patient and trade with the weekly positional trade, guys. Okay, guys, just now we learned about the weekly analysis. How we're going to take a trade on a weekly basis, that is for a positional trade. Now we are going to learn about the intraday levels, how we're going to take a trade on intraday levels regarding support and resistance, like on Monday. Like every day and every week, the support and resistance will be changing, guys. It won't be the same regarding the market movement, guys. You can see here, the market has been taken a rejection from the 21,800. It has taken rejection, and the entire market was on a sideways, and it has a close in a 21,728. In the some negative points closed on a Monday basis, guys. On Friday. Like how we going to take a trade on a Monday? Like for example, the market opens in a flat note. Once the 71,000 should be broken on a downside for the down 71. Sorry, it is 21,700 should be broken on a downside. Once the 21,700 breaks, then you can see the first support of 21,660 will be the first support over here, guys. According to price action techniques, you can go for a short and a put till 21,660. Unless the 21,660 won't broke, you can go for a short. Be careful, it might reverse from the 21,660 for the up movement, guys. Otherwise, if once the 21,660 breaks, you can go for a short and a put option for the 21,600 will be the first target, and second target will be 21,540 will be the second target on the downside. What happens if one market once it goes on higher side? After once the market goes on higher side, it should break like 21,760, guys, on the higher side. 21,760 should be broken on higher side for the target of 21,800. Here I say I'm looking for the resistance here. Why? In the sense, once on Friday it has been rejected from 21,800. Again it takes a support. Sorry, it isn't taken a resistance over here. Unless the 21,800 should be broken, you can go. Market won't be going on a higher side. According to price action techniques, if the 21,800 breaks, you can go for the target of 21,850 will be the first target, and 21,900 will be the second target, and max you can see like 22,000 you can see the target on coming week, guys. This was a buy on dip market, guys. It's not a short market. Like you can see 22,000 again is a round figure. It is in a psychological figure. Most of the option writers will be there. Be cautious and keep booking the profits once the 22,000 reached, guys. This is how we are going to take a trade on regarding support and resistance level on the Monday for the intraday basis, guys. Now let's look into the Bank Nifty. How we're going to take a trade on a Bank Nifty on Monday, guys. That is a new year, guys. Like on here you can see like market has been it has been closed on a 48,260 as a negative points. Friday it has been some profit booking. How we're going to take a trade on the Monday? Like if it market opens a flat note or it is brokes 48,350, guys. Unless the 48,350 brokes, then you can go for an buy a call option or a future for the higher of a target of 48,600. We can see the target, first target on the higher side, and second target you can see the 48,800 on the higher side for the second target, guys. Max to max, the market might take a resistance around 49,000. It might reach on the Monday or Tuesday, like, or Monday. So it can be reached. Again, I'm to say 49,000 is the round figure, and then a psychological figure. Most of the option writers will be activated. Be cautious. Keep on booking the profits when the 49,000 reaches, guys. What I mean, the market comes down on Monday. Once market comes down, first thing you should broke 48,200, guys. Once the 48,200 breaks, according to price action techniques, you can go for the target of 48,000, guys. 48,000 nearby 48,040, like 48,000 is again is a round figure. In most of the option writers will be there. Like we get some support over here there. Once the 48,000 breaks, you can see the target of 47,900 will be the second target on the downsides, and the third target will be 47,800 will be the third target on the bottom level, guys. Be cautious, guys. Keep on booking profits. Keep strict stop loss, and don't hurry with the trade. let the market settle down after 9:30, 9:45. You can enter into the trade, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade on a bank Nifty on Monday for the intraday basis, guys. Now let's look into the Fin Nifty, how we're going to take a trade on the Fin Nifty, guys. See, guys, here Fin Nifty, it is also the same as looking at the bank Nifty. It has been closed on 21,478. It has reached, see, you can see 21,500. 21,500 is been rejected, guys. That means 21,500 has become a resistance over here. It is a round figure, psychology figure. Most of the option items will be there. What happens on the Monday? If once 21,500 books, until the 21,500 books, you can't go for a buy a future or a call option on a higher side, guys. According to the price action techniques, once the 21,500 breaks, you can see the target of 21,600 on the higher side. You can see 100 points higher side, guys. After 21,600, once you can see here it has been rejected once and twice it has been rejected. Once the 21,600 breaks on higher side, you can see that next target 21,650 and 21,700 on the second target on the higher side, guys. What happens if market comes down, open and a flat order comes down, unless the 21,400 breaks, it is 21,400 psychology figure. Under 21,400 breaks, you can't go for a sharp. Once according to price action techniques, once the 21,400 breaks, you can see the first target of 21,380 and second target 21,340 will be second target, and the third target is 21,320, and the fourth target will be a psychological figure 21,300. You can see the downside on the intraday basis level, guys. Be cautious, guys. Keep strict stop loss and trade according to the support and resistance level and the price action techniques, guys. Now let's take on to the Sensex. How we're going to take a trade on a Sensex on a Monday's basis, guys. Here you can see, according to the Sensex, like you can see 1,200, guys. Like in the Sensex 72,200, it has been closed. It has taken a support on 72,200. Once the 72,200 breaks, you can downside. You can see the support of 72,000, guys. Again, it is in a psychological figure. Most of the option writers will be activated there. Keep on booking the profits near 22,000. Again, you can take a trade once the 22,000 breaks down. According to price action techniques, you can see the target of 21,700 on the downside, guys. 21,700 on the downside on the Monday's basis. What happens in market move on higher side? Once the market move on the Monday higher side, it should broke 72,300, guys. According to price action techniques, once the 72,300 breaks, you can see the target of 72,400. We can see the target, first target, and second target 72,500, guys. Here you can see, guys, it is again round figure. You can see in chart it has been rejected from the 72,500. Again, I want to say that is a psychological figure. Most of the option traders will be activated. That's the reason it has been rejected. Once the 72,500 breaks, you can see the target of 73,000 on a higher side, guys. Again, a psychological figure 73,000. Keep on booking timely. Unless 72,500 breaks, you can't go for a higher target, guys. This is how we're going to take a trade, guys. And please, once again, I want to inform you, please subscribe our channel, as forward this channel as much as people, so that they can learn about the support and resistance lines, guys. Again, I want to say, like, happy new year. Have a wonderful year, guys. Thank you.